Say months of the year. January. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. Who was born in July? That was you! July 8th. And August. August. September. You're so funny, baby. October. November. Selena, say November. Okay. November. And then December. December. Who comes in December? Not only is it Uncle Bob's birthday, but it is also the time that Santa comes. Here, say hi. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.